The profile for the drainage network has been output, but the alignment stops at the pit location. Slightly extend the alignment to correct the missing line work in the Civil 3D profile. I've added a few services to the model. For example, this one is the water main. To add them to the network conversion file, go to the Civil 3D Output tab, Network Settings button. Choose the NCF from the drop-down, and for the class, select Services. Change the parts family to PVC pipes and click Add. Scroll down to view the conversion file. In the Pits and Structures tab, select the null pit and click Add. They are added to the CSD pit family list, and down here on the conversion table, we'll make the null pit convert to a diameter 300 structure. Save the NCF and click Apply and Close. In the ribbon, click on Multi-Create from the drop-down. This form lists the CSD networks that have not yet been converted. Assign the Civil 3D surfaces for design and existing, and click to create the pipe networks. When prompted, place the profiles in the plan view. Note that the profile for the Telstra service is not placed. To resolve this, in the Pipes tab, click on Branch Sequence and press Enter. Toggle on the services, and in the list, select the Telstra network and click OK. Auto-sequence the branches and click OK. Once it has been branch sequenced, the profile will appear in the allocated location. Pan back to the drainage profile and click Manage Networks. In this form, users can toggle the networks as dynamic, included in the synchronization, or removed from the conversion list here. Check off the dynamic setting for the drainage network and apply and close. In the Pipes tab, open the VGE for one of the drainage network branches. Here you can make edits to the network, like changing the pipe size. Notice that there is no change to the Civil 3D profile. In the Civil 3D Output tab, go back to the Manage Networks form and toggle on the dynamic setting. Click Apply and Close, and now when the edits are made to the pipe size, the profile updates dynamically. Open the Manage Networks form again, and this time we'll disable the sync option as well. Make another change to the pipe size, and the profile is not synchronizing. Reactivate the sync option, and with the bigger pipe size edit in CSD, the drainage network will update with the others upon synchronization.